My name is Carrie. This is Atreyu. I not only create costumes and do crocheting and history bounding for myself, but also for him. I have made him 3 Halloween costumes so far. Christmas costumes. And now he has a cute little crocheted 1970s inspired granny square vest. Oh, you decided to go down, huh? In this video, I talk a little bit about how I made that. And of course, do check out how I made my vest. Very fun video. I compared the size of my granny square with his jack-o'-lantern costume to make sure that it would be the right size. I think that will work. The granny square is the back of the vest. To create the front, I did rows of double crochet on each side, and then to keep that kind of granny square aesthetic, added clusters along the side. And we're filming. Hello, mister. Oh, yes, you stick out your tongue. You're so cute. I made you a vest. One of the questions that I get is, how on earth do I get him into his things? It's not easy because his scales are directional. Can you show people your cute scales? So in one direction, things go smoothly. In the other way, they don't. Especially on his arms. You can see that they kind of... This way it's easy to pet him. This way I can't pet him because the scales catch. And you're going, what's happening, Mummy? This is unusual. We're going to put you in your vest. One arm. Get that up. Your thumb is caught. Silly boy. Oh, I think I made your vest too small. I had the same problem with mine. This is not going to work. Oh. Your mummy failed. Aww. You're so cute. Let's try again. Yeah, it's not going to fit you. Bother. Okay, I think we're big enough. I think I can make the front of the vest now. Thank you, Wiggly Bottoms. Do you like it? Is it a good color? Does it complement you? I was worried that you might be completely camouflaged in it. I added 2 rows of clusters on each side, then proceeded to make the front again. Did a lot more rows of the double crochets, And I like how there's a slight ruffle to the double crochet clusters at the front. You gotta come back into frame, bub. Thanks. No, so now you're not walking away. Silly boy. We're gonna try on your vest. Big no, mommy. I don't wanna. Haha, you're in. Don't think it's as flattering on you as it is on me. Just saying. Okay. Next, I'm gonna... Thanks. I gotta sew in the ends on your vest. Here is the finished product. That's the back of the vest. Front of the vest with little ruffles on it. You're gonna be so adorable. Are you ready? I know, mommy. I was comfy on your lap. Good boy. There you are. Definitely does not impede his ability to walk. That's a good thing. I like that. There you go. You are adorable. There's your little ruffle. We're twinsies! Come on up a bit, pups. No, you don't want to be up. Show the people your cuteness. He's like, no, mommy, I'm backing up. Look at you! Hi! Yes, you are. Gosh darn cute. Where are you trying to go? Do you like your vest? Or are you unsure? You haven't tried to get out of it. That's a good sign. When he is fed up with his harness or costumes, he can get out of them. I do purposely make them loose enough that if he wants to, he can get out of them. It's just his harness when we take him to the park. We don't like him when he tries to get out of that. There are leash laws, buddy. That's it. Keep climbing. Oh yes, that's my boy. This is definitely one of his favorite places to sit. On my shoulder. Or then like around my back. Just nestle right into your neck. He likes that. You're gonna climb down my back now? Where are you going? to make it very difficult to get you off of there now. I may not be his favorite climbing post, but I am definitely an acceptable climbing post. I must say, your vest matches you very well. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos about costuming, crocheting, history bounding, and when I make other fun things for him, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have fun and be creative. How'd we do? I think we did good.